Let's have a look at what is happening across India in brief. The Election Commission directed the centre that no specific schemes in poll-bound states shall be announced in the union budget in the interest of free and fair assembly elections. The EC also directed that no achievement of the ruling BJP-led centre in poll-bound states shall be highlighted in the budget which is presented on February 1st. The Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested a former chairman and 3 other ex-officials of IDBI Bank, along with 4 former executives of Kingfisher Airlines in connection with Vijay Mallya's rupees 900 crore Kingfisher Airlines loan default case. The National Human Rights Commission has issued notices to Delhi government and the Airports Authority of India over reports of 59 Dalit families not being rehabilitated even after 9 years of the forced eviction from a village here for expansion of the city airport. The NHRC has issued notices and sought reports within 6 weeks on the steps taken to be proposed for relief and rehabilitation of these families. Australia's High Commissioner to India Harinder Sidhu witnessed the signing of MOU between Australian Electoral Commissioner Tom Rogers and the Chief Election Commissioner of India Dr. Wasim Zaida to strengthen bilateral electoral cooperation. The Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday approved the Indian Institute of Management Bill 2017, under which they may grant MBA in place of PGDM. The bill may now be presented by the Ministry of Human Resources in the upcoming budget session of Parliament after taking the approval from the Ministry of Law and Justice. In a major setback to the Akhilesh Yadav-led Samajwadi Party ahead of the UP Assembly polls, the Allahabad High Court on Tuesday passed a stay order on the government's notification to include 17 other backward castes in the scheduled caste list.